you see?
Yep.
It was like that and that and then right there. Hello guys, today we're going to be making a world record airplane that flies 100 feet. Okay, so you need a paper. It should be A4. You first need to fold it in half. So you fold it in half. And then okay, after you fold it in half, open it up and fold one triangle to the crease. Fold it right there. And then do it to the other side. Okay, after you fold on the other side a triangle, then fold like this. And you make like a line, like a rectangle here. So there should be like one line there and one line there. And then after you do that, fold one triangle to the crease here. So you fold one triangle to the crease right there. Okay, and do it to the opposite side. Okay, after that, open these triangles up and then fold it like this. So you fold like a triangle like this, so to the crease. So you fold a triangle there to the crease and then fold it again like that. And then after that, you do like that. Do it to the other side, okay? And then after that, you do like that, okay? And then after that, fold like this. You fold a triangle. So you fold a triangle right there, okay? And then okay. And now you open this up and then fold like this. You fold like that. And then you fold this, so you turn it over and then fold a triangle here. Then you pick it up and then hold like right here. Hold your hand right there and then open it up. So then you do like that. So then you make like a mouth and then fold again there. Let me show you again. Okay, so fold like this, place it down, and then hold it here, then do like that. You open it up, and then you do like that, and do like that. Then you fold it like that. Okay. Then now you fold like that. And then flip it to the other side and do like that. Do it like so now do like this. And now fold one rectangle here and do it to the other side. And now pick it up and then open these rectangles, and now you have your world record aeroplane.